Today we're gonna have a nice feast.
Welcome, Dolce Party.
Using good quality ingredients.
Welcome.
What a lovely evening tonight.
My name is Massimo Bruno. We're gonna be highlighting some beautiful dishes with a nice olio d'oliva, olive oil. We have some burrata, a little bit focaccia, octopus carpaccio, just a few dishes, risotto, pasta, and then we're gonna have a nice olive oil gelato to finish.
I saw a quote the other night. Somebody was saying, do you feel rich? And how do you define being rich? Really, what brings everything back home is whenever we do an interview with individuals that we profile in the publication and we ask them, what is the definition of your dolce vita, the good life? It's always family and friends, enjoying the good times or sharing a good meal, great wine, great company with friends and family. So we thank everybody here again. Welcome to our first Dolce Dinner event. I hope you enjoy it as much as we plan to have fun tonight. Cheers. Welcome. Cheers. Cheers, everyone.
Buon appetito.
So the resulting oil, which you will have tonight, is characterized by the 3 essential attributes of real extra virgin olive oil, which are fruitiness, bitterness, and spiciness. So we hope that by the end of the evening, you're going to not only be very impressed with Chef Bruno's culinary skills, but also leave understanding what a premium quality product can bring to a dish. So enjoy the dinner and buon appetito.
Risotto with olive oil, just a little bit shallots, and that's it. So simple. And the cream, it's created by the starch of the risotto. 5 minuti, 5 minutes.
Nice to see you. So are you enjoying yourself? We need to take a picture together.
The food is amazing. Italian is not the same.
Okay, let's take a... Hello, ladies. How's it going?
Good. The food is amazing.
Okay, good.
Thank you very much.
Good.
Trying to make it work. You know what I mean? They're literally you're trying to make it happen.
We had a great night tonight, right?
It was wonderful, absolutely, being a part of Dolce's first dinner in the series that celebrates the exceptional olive oil that they produce in Puglia. So I would say one of the highlights tonight was just the ability to sit and family style share a meal,
meet new friends,
make new friends. Absolutely.
For sure. Thank you, Dolce. Thank you so much. We love you.